Yeah, it was open tonight.
Yeah.
Aw. I want to go tonight. He's frozen.
Hold on, are you videotaping it or are you taking a picture? I don't know.
She doesn't know that I'm recording. Nobody knows. Just aw. It's too late. I got your face. Oh, run to the kitchen.
Pass is $25. You can go endless time.
Season pass.
$25 for a season pass to a haunted house? Yeah, sign me up. Uh-oh. Terror.
Take you. It's dark.
Yeah, because I'm dark with my black shirt. Ugh.
TV wall.
You were sorry.
Hold on. Let me turn this light on. Are you dark now? Yes. These are my cats. If you can really see them.
These are my cats. 3 out of 4.
Dun 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 dun.
Would you want to go that often to the same one?
I would.
Yeah.
Really?
You're ridiculous.
Okay.
You would actually go.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
See, a regular ticket is $15, but a season pass is $25.
You see,
Twisted.
first we could go, and then we could bring friends, and then we could bring other friends, and then we could bring other friends, and then there's
Okay, I'm bored.
friends, and that's on them because we don't have a season pass for them. What's up? And then everybody can go at the same time, and then I can get recorded like a dork, and then.
Hi, Jason. Hi, Mom. Say what's up, camera? Maybe I should surprise John, knock on the door. Say, hey, camera. Say hi, Jill.
Hey, buddy.
Uh-oh. She has Gremlin who hates to be held.
It's a big boy gonna be held anyway.
Let's see if he is in his hiding spot. Very good for you. Oh,
she got it on tape.
that's where he loves to be. Where did he go?
In the top cabinet.
How the heck did he get to the top cabinet?
He's very intelligent.
How did he get in there?
Cause this stays open, cause it can't shut. So he's smart and he takes his nose.
See, I cannot handle cat stuff on the cabinets like that. Look at that.
Oh, you need to get down. He wants pizza. Get down from the pizza. No pizza. Come on, Marley. From Bob Marley. He's a Bob Marley cat. Wah, wah. Go. Okay, Gerlin, say woo-woo. You better scratch. Howie.
Give April this video camera.
I can do this all day
It's
long.
going on YouTube.
It's not going on YouTube.
Yes, it is going on YouTube.
Say no.
You were bet. This even catch that shit.
Probably not. Halloween, yeah.
You're retarded.
Read it.
You're so ridiculous.
Okay, I'm gonna show one more thing. If you can find them.
Yep.
Where's he at? Oh, that scene comes out. Say hi. Okay, he don't like.
The two remaining sides are yours because they ran out of the
Okay, I'm done.
so.
Ooh.
Don't mind my sister, she's a little loony.
I guess it runs in the family.